Longki adventure in penang litum dan pas sampai kardo mangko jadi vlog non ke doge dio Chirag Royal Enfield showroom long sedo anke pini nil tu mangi tu nanti make Royal Enfield hadi classic bang hadi classic 350 bang hadi pini ke launch itu arti nilo senang litum stamemo mo kene Royal Enfield classic ba jada Royal Enfield stamem hadi nami putre dak Wang ekdom dak leng na menu na thima dim mipik dak ke dutum tadi cingki mipik pik lasin nili dak sekin nam lo nili Meteor mang dak sekin nam lo lasin ang litum stamemo nang ju khade don mali tum jo nim nam mang mon de oh dan don mali tum la hello yo Chirag Royal Enfield showroom ini la mon Maligaon nang sedu kedu ke la sinon mang ke nil tum dak si kilo dipo dak lo pini hedi hala kene classic hedi Classic Akimi bang hai Royal Enfield Classic 350 Akimi bang dak hello ke launch po lasi dak sin tum non ar lulu daming po dai don mali tum lasi nang lang dun thanang tum ta don mali tum non ke di tum ar do se do lo yom ke la gari hedi ke launch han di mali tum ke thik lok lo non om sote hedi don mali tum hala yo hala hini he yo pe ke lok bana pu dip het hedi hala hai lo yo gari lo la si non mang edak lo gelan sna po si nang lang non dai don mali tum yo don mali tum hedi yo ni kan lang nang pi lang ni jo lo la ben ke non muni tum kene excited ko lo yo la tum dia nang chirong pi non na dance ko man he tum dak hedi la showroom lo main salesman hedi alang mail tumhan nang than bola tum kene kilan sipang hedi la sela so apan artist na dara eta mane launch kora to je ei to bikhoy koi dibo apni
actually mane aji launch event to all about new classic 350 so classic 350 gom pai 2008 opera choli ase so mane itia bostu to bike khon olop upgrade korise olop new korise olop refine korise so today's launch is all about that. It's all about the all new classic 350 which has been reborn.
Okay.
I would like to call Mr. Chirag and our company person to do the revealing. So, Abhijit sir, please come. Manager sir and Saur sir. I would like all of you to do the unveiling of the bike. Yes, sir. Please do the unveiling. To do this unveiling. Please do the honors. This is our cash medical and
itu yo color topi ke dia gari bang color topi kan normally teman hedi yo color hedi dupik mati dia color ada ke thondo la navy color lo navy color la air hedi ta mang hedi air color lo selang ni sumo jo top sana sa color
Boya.
Boya no?
Boya. আর বুক করা আছে
হ্যাঁ
বুক করা আছে
বুক করা আছে না Kasi editor Marlin na pula salesman hadi anam bang nang than ko pula la sa dun sa nang dai
So signal editions. On road price starting from 2,20,000. And these are the. This is the chrome red, which will be the costly at 2,30,000 on road.
2,30,000.
30,000.
I mean finance.
Finance came here.
Finance zero, no? Normally the 2,30,000 on road today.
So starting price of signal into single edition, single channel. So it will be started from 2 lakh on road.
2 lakh on road. Non hedi la bang main dark settlements bang la hedi la selang bang ini tumhan bike details hedi son pan ma don ma punan thanik ko tumhan la so we will hear him out what he's going to say.
So let me speak about the all new classic 350. It has got new 11 colors have been introduced.
11 colors.
11 colors have been introduced. It comes in both like single channel and dual channel.
Okay.
And it comes with alloy wheels also.
Okay.
You can, I said about the MYI option of the Royal Enfield. In there, if you select with alloy wheels, it will come with alloy wheels also.
Okay.
Yeah. In some variants there are alloy wheels also.
Okay.
Like in Stealth Black, it comes with alloy wheels inbuilt. So let me tell you about the bike all over.
Okay.
So now it is like 13 liters fuel tank capacity.
13 liters.
13.
Okay.
Earlier it was 13.5.
Okay.
Now it's 13. And reserve is 4 liters.
Okay.
Okay. It has got a brand new chassis. Twin down. All new chassis. For that, vibration is very less.
আপুনি কৈ থাকিলেও পিছত মই এডিট কৰি ল'ম
ঠিক আছে all new chassis, new engine, which produces 20.2 bhp, 27 Newton meter of torque. New headlights has been introduced, new twin pilot headlamps, new halogen bulb, and new reflectors. As you can see, earlier the reflector was bulky now, concave, convex. Now it's flat. So for better visibility, tires have been a little bit changed in the tire, not in the front, actually in the back. Front is 19 inch, 100 by 90 by 19 inch, and the rear is 120 by 80 by 18 inch tires. Disc brakes, as you can see, new disc brakes has been bigger disc brakes now we have got. The front one is 300 mm and the rear is 270 with dual channel ABS. Okay.
Normally to non bang hedi nilibang la arlu ko den ga arlu de pen gusan ma hedi ingtu mengtu te ma la ko dai dili dai kang ni bang ni me pigyo la ko hedi ni jom asin hedi asin bang ni jom normally to se bang mi tiga sange